Now na girl Bella O. Not forget the name of this program na reality story. I don't come again today with another ogbonge story. And this my story, so now one of my clients na send am come. So you just want send am to as advice, make her talk am, make my viewers see, make it be advice to them. And so it tell me. So you know any story they send, I will always post as long as reality story. She said this story, so now about she and her daughter. She said when she dey young, when she dey see the blow guy, say she can't get belle, she can't born one daughter. Say but the daughter can't do with the boy parents. Say so 2 years ago she can't marry. Say but and say her marriage now, so recently they call her say this daughter, so when they with the boy parents don't late, so therefore nowhere for the girl to stay. So it's not carry the girl come her house, cut her husband. Now my cutler say because then he had this daughter not the same time. So her husband say carry her come now, make her live with us now. You're picking my picking. This picking, so I tell you, so this girl, so this is daughter, so are just 17 years. So it's not carry the girl, or carry her come house. Say so recently now, some days ago, that the daughter called it and say, mommy, you know what happened 2 nights ago. Daddy tried to force himself on me for nights when they sleep, but I make her refuse him. Gotland say no. You try, because say if you come near me and I go shout, like that, you can take go, you not coffee succeed. Say so. Now you can say really, your papa do that kind of thing, and you not tell me, that kind of thing. Say so when the man call for like and say, so now true say you won't go sleep with this your my picking, because this picking supposed to be your picking too. You understand? So now true say you won't go sleep with them, just step picking and your picking. Now you can say made the woman not vex, because they beg. Say actually say he did drunk, you don't know when they go the girl room, made he not vex. Say better when the time go say he not so he not call eventually sleep with the girl, so made woman forgive her. So do mass na so say to be not forgive them, they live happily. Say so nothing like make you good, maybe say mother and daughter where they share good relationship. Say if you not get good relationship with your daughter now, your daughter for not tell her what happen, and she for not know, and beside, or maybe the daughter for go allow the papa sleep with his her husband sleep with them. Say so, but the daughter refuse. The daughter no right from left, say no good, and the daughter cause to tell her, not keep her for dark. Say so now make her tell people make we women out there who will try to get relationship with our picking, good relationship. So now the story be that too. My dear, I see your story reach my table. Now good thing, say you and your picking get good relationship. Clap for yourself. Now good one, as a mother you try. But not everybody with their daughters get good relationship. Now true what you talk. But again, you know say that your picking so. That your daughter is not safe for that house. You know what I say? Not safe. That man, when he be say, if he say they drunk, he not enter your room, he not see your room to waka come, may come meet you. And your pikin, now you call waka go meet for a room, go there, just say you want sleep with. You don't say your pikin refuse them now. Say your pikin are those kind of type, you call bone, call liver. If you never sleep with them, if it's person I drink, I just sleep with my stepdaughter. You know me, Nabi. That one. 2. That same man, so we do that thing, go stay another day again, drink again, go that to your daughter room. If you not get sense, maybe you get to know now, say that man they eye your daughter already. Because you drink eye, take go there, because the form say now drink. Another day, you go still do the same nonsense. If I were you, if I be you, the best thing to do now to carry that pikin come up from that house. Your daughter know they safe for that house. The man will see your daughter as you know. They iron, they say I'm as want to sleep with, and I they think. So if you as you do that mood, so that you try that one now, so you know work, you fail. Another time again, what if you can't go succeed? So now that time you can do story that touch. Yes, so your daughter are fine, they tell you everything, and that one might be the problem. You're supposed to think of your daughter's safety. How you go carry your daughter from that to your husband? I will advise you, since the people when they stay before die, you not get parents, carry and go there. If you not get parents, at least you get sister, you get just come on your daughter for that house. You know she not they safe for that house. But that same man, he had already did that girl. You go still try him again. So I beg to avoid story that touch. Save your daughter. Yes, na get relationship, but you still need to save her. You are the mother. Save her, and at least she too, as a daughter, she will understand if they can't come out. You give her your reasons why you have to take her away from that man. Because tomorrow now you went to hospital and because you say you don't want to stay in the marriage again or whatever. So I beg you, when if you find solution to this thing, better put the solution which is taking her from that place, or the friend called let's say reality story. You don't finally sleep with my daughter, I rape her. I beg you, I God that I beg you, save your daughter from that man. And the advice I get for you be that. So my people, and the story be this. So next time again, I'll come with another long gay story. So till then, be good.